This is the Tutima M2 Seven Seas, reference 6151-09, featuring the signal yellow dial. The solid pearl blasted titanium case has a diameter of 44 millimeters. This watch is on a rubber and Kevlar strap with titanium folding clasp. The rubber and the stitching on the strap match the signal yellow dial. The case has been pressure tested to 50 bar, features a unidirectionally rotatable bezel with calibrations and luminous marking point coated with super luminova. The front of the watch, you have an anti-reflective sapphire crystal. In the side of the case, you have your protruding crown guards protecting the screw-in crown. The case has a height of 13 millimeters, and going back to the front of the watch, the dial features super luminova coated indices. As for functionality, you have your day and date function at the 3 o'clock position. The day can be set in either English or German. You have your hour and minute hand and your sweep seconds. This watch is powered by the Caliber Tutima 330 automatic movement. The movement features rotor with gold seal, 25 jewels, polished screws, and a power reserve of 38 hours when fully wound. This watch is also available in Signal Orange and Signal Blue. Thank you for checking out this quick look. If you'd like to see this watch in person, please visit your local authorized Tutima dealer and try it on.